Hello everyone, welcome back to Highlink. Today we are going to answer one of the most practical questions you will ever have as an Armenian learner. How to talk about time, morning, night, days of the week, months, seasons. In the end of this video, you will know how to say see you tomorrow, my birthday is in July, and even it's cold in winter. Let's get started. Section 1, parts of the day. Առավոտ, morning. ցերեկ or այսօր, afternoon. երեկո, evening. գիշեր, night. If you want to say in the morning or at night, you add endings to these words. Առավոտյան, in the morning. ցերեկ or կեսօրին, in the afternoon. երեկոյան, in the evening. And գիշեր at night. Let's say them together. Առավոտյան, ցերեկը or կեսօրին, երեկոյան, գիշերը. Section 2, yesterday, today, tomorrow. These three words are very simple and they don't change in the sentence. Երեկ, yesterday. Այսօր, today. Վաղը, tomorrow. Now here is the thing. These three words stay exactly as they are. No changes, no endings. Let me give you an example. Երեկ ես տեսա նրան. Այսօր իմ ծնունդն է. Վաղը հանդիպելու ես նրան. See how երեկ, այսօր, վաղը don't change at all? Easy, right? Section 3, days of the week. Two important words first. Օր is day, շաբաթ is week. Now 7 days of the week. Երկուշաբթի, երեքշաբթի, չորեքշաբթի, հինգշաբթի, ուրբաթ, շաբաթ, կիրակի. This part matters when we use them in the sentence. We have two options. We can say just ուրբաթ when it answers the question երբ, when. For example, ուրբաթ հանդիպում ենք. Հանդիպում ենք երբ, ուրբաթ. Or you can say ուրբաթ օրը when we are talking about an event on a specific date. For example, ուրբաթ օրը շատ զբաղված էի. Section 4, months. Ամիս is month. Now 12 months of the year. Հունվար, փետրվար, մարտ, ապրիլ, մայիս, հունիս, հուլիս, օգոստոս, սեպտեմբեր, հոկտեմբեր, նոյեմբեր, դեկտեմբեր. When we use the months in the sentence, we add in the end of the month. For example, հունվար in, նոյեմբեր in. But what about a specific date? Here is how it works. You take the month, add e, and the date with ending in. For example, հուլիս ի, 4 in. Նոյեմբեր ի, 21 in. Section 5, seasons. One word you need to know is եղանակ. Եղանակ is both season and weather. Now for seasons. Գարուն, ամառ, աշուն, ձմեռ. Now this one is a little bit different. To say in summer or in spring, we remove last vowel of the word and add an. Գարուն, գարնան, ամառ, ամռան, աշուն, աշնան, ձմեռ, ձմռան. For example, ամռանը շոգ է, ձմռանը ցուրտ է. Section 6. Years. For mentioning a year, you say thousands and hundreds and add the word թվականին in the end. For example, in 1995 will be 1995 թվականին. And that's it. From morning to night, from Monday to Sunday, from January to December, and even years. Now you have the vocabulary to talk about time in Armenian. To review, open up the vocabulary cards and practice each word until it feels natural. I'll put them in the description below. If this lesson helped you, give it a like and subscribe to Highlang. What topic should I cover? Let me know in the comments. I read them all. Bye!